was Watch What Happens by Michel Legrand. Next up, we'll go through the audio again, but with some new visuals. We'll have the Guitar Pro neck diagram, as well as standard notation and tablature. You may use this as a secondary reference and also to possibly play along with once you get more familiar with it. After that, we'll have a step-by-step going slowly through this arrangement. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm live streaming regularly. Okay, let's get started. Next up, we'll work on this step by step. The intro and outro of this arrangement is based on Sergio Mendes and Brazil 66 arrangement. The main body or the melody of it is based on things that you might find in a lead sheet. Okay, well, let's get started with the step by step. Here we start out with the intro. We're going to have a pickup tone here, E flat, and then we're gonna get into this E6, okay? And then we're gonna go down to position 3 to D6, and then up to E flat 6. Okay, and then we're gonna work at this little line that the guitar player, I took this from Sergio Mendes recording. Okay, so that's an E flat 7 there. And then we repeat, so. And then we get into this chord again, E flat 7. Okay, so we just left off with that measure 4 there. So then we're gonna go play this E6 again, D6, and the E flat 6. Now this time we're gonna strum and continue to play, so. That will form our intro and the outro. So here we are, measure 8. We're working with the melody of the tune at this point. So we have, playing a partial of the E flat major 7, so you may recognize it like this. And then I go and play the melody, playing those as single tones, and then F9, again a rootless partial here. You may recognize this like this. But the bass player is playing the F, so I'm not playing that. Then we play this melody content again. And now we have F minor 9. Again, same concept. Okay. Gonna have a short and quiet little pair here for the B flat 7 or B flat 13. So we have that melody content coming up again and again. And then we're going to play E flat major 7. If it helps you to include the root, you're welcome to do that. Moving up by fret. Moving up by fret, and then back down. Okay, so just half steps, up and down. So now we've landed on the repeat of that section. So we play E flat major 7 again. We play this line again. Play the F9. Play this again. F minor 9. And that's where we play the little pair there with the 6 and the 7. Okay, and then we get the E flat major 7. We're going to go up, E major, F major, G flat major. And then we land on G major 7. And this starts the next section. Okay, this next measure, measure 25, we have play like that in 10th position. Okay, I'm going to switch position to position 8. That allows me to play this pair, which is a part of a shell voicing, G minor to C7. Play those as single tones. We go all the way down here to position 1, F major 7, and then all the way back up. Okay, we play that melody. It's kind of similar to what we did on G, a little different. Play this with finger 4, and then we play these pairs applied to F minor 7 and B flat 7. Okay, now this is going to be very similar to the beginning here. So we have a new section. E flat, going to F9, F minor 9. Again, we'll play this little kind of in the background, these little pairs. And then we're going to land on E flat. And I may have played that as a single tone. And you don't have to play this exactly the same way, but this would be a good starting point. Okay, and then we're going to get into basically what we did on the intro. So play that again, and then we go to E6, D6, E flat 6. Okay, and then we're going to play this chord up here. You can hold both of these fingers down on string 1 at the same time, so that you just lift away the 4th finger. Okay. Okay, and then I'm back up here again. Then again. And then we just strum out. So if you play this specific arrangement, it will work really well. If you play in a jam session, just be aware of the ending. This ending may be a little bit longer, so you just may be aware of that and be ready to play at the beginning of the tune. But this follows, not exactly, but mostly the arrangement of the Sergio Mendes recording. Thanks for watching. Best of luck with the tune. Please remember to like and subscribe. And for additional learning resources, visit fretprints.com.